Solo sound, one of the first production guitar pedals, versus Tonex, the newest innovative guitar pedal. Let's compare the Solo Sound Tone Bender Mark IV Fuzz with the Tonex capture of the Seymour Duncan Tweak Fuzz. Here we have the very first, this is one of the very first pedals that they made for guitar. Sola Sound put this out. They're in London. And of course this is a reissue, but it's made by the same company and using the same components. Well, the same old school transistors and so on. So this is an interesting comparison to the old and the very new. So I'm using the matchless patch because it really takes pedals well. Here's what it sounds like. All right, here we go. By the way, I'm using single coils, Voodoo Strat, so just your Fender 64 single coils, and I'm mostly on the neck pickup. Here's the bridge pickup. Neck pickup. Sorry, I had to do the kill switch thing. But anyways, pretty cool fuzz. Okay, here we go. So this is a capture of the Seymour Duncan Tweak Fuzz that I further tweaked in the software. So let's give it a go. bridge pickup. Back to the neck pickup. Pretty cool. Now, you hear it's pretty noisy, so you can put noise gate on it. Let's do that. There we go. Let's try that out. And let's roll the volume back. Let's go ahead and roll the gain back or fuzz level back. By pressing Alt in this mode, you're going to roll the fuzz level back. Let's check that out now. Rolling volume back on guitar. It's pretty nice, yeah. Full volume. Let's go ahead and put a little bit of delay on the Tonex, the big pedal. And so what I did is push this parameter button once, and I'm scrolling to the right, select delay, power on. Let's see what we got right now. All right, cool. All right, let's try the same with the tone bender. Hey everyone, Luke and Fish and I would like to ask you to hit the subscribe and like button below. It'll help us move this channel along. Thanks. Come visit us at patreon.com. There's lots of cool content there and stuff you haven't seen, and would love to chat with you. Take care, and we'll see you soon.